Hi and welcome back to Basic Bananas TV. I want to share a tip. If you are a knowledge-based business, like if you provide a service, some sort of consultant, maybe business coaching, advisory, mentoring, it's a great idea. Most services could actually take this same advice to start to build products based on your knowledge. So if you want to, basically you can provide more value to your customers, even if you have to service them face to face, or you can start to pull back on your one-to-one time if you've got really valuable resources that you can provide in between, like recording video tips, creating a members website, maybe a health email subscription where you email tips and tricks or you post out tips and tricks. It can be audio, video, text, PDF worksheets, creating courses even with your knowledge. It's a great way to scale your business up without having to always spend more of your time one-to-one to make a cent, to make money. Even if you're a service like a physiotherapist, you could make a online health program where people get subscription to the online members area and extra resources and things just to provide more value, or charge for it as a standalone product. Especially business advisory and those kind of style of business, you should definitely be doing this and looking at this, getting your knowledge out of your head and turning it into products and programs. They're really valuable assets that you then have forevermore. Obviously, you might need to update something sometimes, but they're really, really valuable assets, especially if your business at the moment is just you delivering your time. It's something you really need to think about to be able to scale up your business. If you'd like to learn more from us at Basic Bananas, just jump on basicbananas.com. We share a lot of free resources ourselves. Jump on our podcast, search for Basic Bananas Radio on any podcast platforms, and you can subscribe on there. And if you've got any questions, get in touch with the team. We answer every question. And otherwise, look forward to seeing you on another video tip soon. Bye for now.